Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsey, and today we'll be doing just a quick and easy flat twist out tutorial. So I'm starting out with freshly washed damp hair. Like, my hair is drenched right now, like you should see my neck. And then I'm just gonna start out by just parting out the side section. I'm kind of going in for like a mohawk kind of style, so I'm just gonna be using my shine and jam gel, and I'm just going to be doing that full corner look that if you've been following me for a while, you've probably seen me do it before, just two at each side. So I'm just using a shine and jam at my hair roots, and then I'm just gonna go in with my rubber band, which I did soak in oil, by the way, and just connecting the hair together. I have the shower cap on just to keep the rest of my hair moisturized, because I've recently discovered I do have high porosity hair, so my hair does get dry easily. And I'm just freshening my hair, like re-wetting it with some leave-in conditioner and water throughout, because I'm telling you guys, my hair dries out super quickly. So just some conditioner and water just to keep it moist while I do my hair. So now that I've done each side, this is me just contemplating if I should leave it like this or not, or just commit to the flat twist. So I guess I decided to commit to the flat twist. So I'm starting out by just parting the section of my hair, because I just want some of it to just fall kind of in front of my face. This is not neat at all, and if you see me like breaking my neck looking off to the side, I have the mirror off to the side, guys, and my glasses are wet. And listen, I'm doing this, I'm nearsighted, so this is just however it come out. I'm not like concentrating on the neat parting, because it's going to be covered anyway, so we're good. I just want to make sure I just get the section that I want out. So after I'm done parting, I'm just gonna go in with some more parting with my fine tooth comb, and then go ahead and start my first flat twist. So I'll be using my Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. I really do like using this pudding for any twist out or bantu knot out or braid out. It has a nice thick consistency. Well, it's really creamy, cream based, and it smells amazing, and I do like the results that I get from it. So that's what I'll be using for this look. So with the flat twist out, I literally, guys, just grip my hair, and I kind of like twist my hair and just hold on to my roots. I'm terrible at explaining this. I can obviously show you better than I can tell you my flat twist. I'm not the best flat twister, but you guys can see the twist, don't it? You can see the twist. All I do is just grip the roots and act like I'm twisting, and I just, at the same time, like, I kind of move my hands like I'm twisting my hair, but while making sure it's secure at the roots. And then I just continue to do a 2-strand twist all the way down. Then I twirl the ends a little bit. I did not have my perm rods with me. I know some people like to put perm rods at the end, and I wasn't in the mood for any flexi rods, so I just left it as is. So again, I just section up my hair in two, and just honestly move my hands like I'm twisting, and just what I do is I grip it at the root and just twist, and it comes out like that. That's how I flat twist. That's what works for me. If you have another method, please let me know in the comments down below. So when I'm done, I'm just periodically adding more of the Lotta Body Twist Me Pudding throughout, just to make sure it's evenly distributed in my hair. So now that I'm finished with the front, I'm just gonna go ahead and deal with the back. Still re-wetting my hair, because I feel like my hair was drying out already. Isn't that crazy? And then I'm just gonna be doing some flat twists straight back, all the way back. That's it for the back. This is probably what I like to do. It was so quick, so easy. This took me maybe about 40 minutes to do. You can watch a movie, listen to music, spy on your neighbors, talk to your friend, do anything while doing this. Super quick, super easy. So once again, I'm just gonna grip 2 sections of what I have out for the flat twist, and just grip the roots of my hair and just twist all the way down. Like how when you're doing cornrows, they say it's basically a 3-strand braid along your scalp. It's the same thing for the flat twist that I'm doing, and I do a 2-strand twist all the way down and twirl the end of each twist. So I'm done flat twisting. I did about 4 at the front and 6 at the back. Yeah, that sounds about right, something like that. So after I'm done doing my whole head, I'm just going to grab my iNaturals cayenne pepper oil and apply this to my scalp. I have a review of this product on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Great for people like me with dry scalp and eczema. So I'm just gonna, you know, drip all along my scalp, and then I'm just gonna leave the flat twist in for a day or two, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's 3 days after, and I'm just unraveling the twist, and now I'm just gonna be adding some gel, Eco gel, to any ends that I feel could use a little bit more coil. And then this is the beginning of my day. This is a start of my day, and then this is the end of my day. I had a really long hot day, like my face is melting, I'm sweating, and I'll let you guys know in due time why I had such a long day. But my hair did shrink a little bit, but that's okay. We don't hate shrinkage over here. It's all good. So I really do like flat twist with all the definition that it can give. I really did like how this turned out. So let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're building a family over here, okay guys? We're building a family. Share with your friends, share with anybody you know, and subscribe. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And then, oh, don't forget to follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. I'm talking Instagram, I'm talking Twitter. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye.